Hey, come back. This is the second tutorials on aggregate functions, which we have started with count functions. So under counting, we did count A and count blank functions, and this time round I want to do count with a criteria, or with a criterion, just a single criterion. So under just to remind you, under counting functions, we said count functions count the number of cells which contain numbers, dates, and also time. For count A, counts all cells which are not blank, and count blanks counts only blank cells in a range of cells. So let's say we have some data here with a primary school result. So maybe some NGOs, some non-governmental organization, maybe Right for Girl Child, want to know the percentage of female in a class. How can we do that? So let's start working. For simplicity of this video, let me hide some column that I'm not interested in. Here I can maybe hide these columns, highlight and say hide columns. So I have hidden those columns. Now the NGO want to know the percentage of female student in a class. So how can you do that? The first thing, I want to know the total number of students. So total number of students. How can you get the total number of students? I can use count functions. Count A functions. So let's say count A is equals to count A. Okay. The values, I can have it from here to here. This is to get the total number of students. I say enter. So we have 15 students in this class using COUNTIF functions. Then now I want to calculate the number of female students. So what am I going to use? I'm going to use COUNTIF functions. Okay, equals COUNTIF. So this is when you want to count with the criteria. The first argument is the range. They are asking for range, the range in which you have different values. So for range, I have gender here. This is my range. Okay, I can fix my range if I want to do some copying down formula. So I say F4 for absolute referencing, comma. It asks me for criteria. So I want the number of females in the class. So my criteria will be kindly calculate for me the number of females in that range. Okay, I say enter. So I have 15 students in total and 8 of them are female. What is the percentage of female students in this class? Okay, that is what we wanted. So to calculate the percentage, I say equals this value divided by this value, and I say enter. So it is 0.533 and so on. So I want to change this one to percentage by clicking just on this percent and the home tab, and maybe increase to 2 decimal point. So 53.33 are female students. So you can simply report that the female percentage is bigger than the male student, and that is good for maybe the project you are working on. Thank you.